In a quiet American town, as the early morning light filtered through the swaying green trees, a single dad, a veteran, sat in his worn-out pickup truck. His eyes, a mixture of discipline and kindness, held a story of service and sacrifice. In the rearview mirror, a child's backpack hung, a constant reminder of his purpose. Taking a deep breath, he stepped out onto the dew-kissed grass. Memories of his military days flashed in his mind as he checked his wallet. Inside, a single dollar bill remained. He sighed, but his resolve didn't waver. A photo of his child peeked out and he whispered a silent promise to never give up. As he walked toward a small convenience store, he noticed a man sitting on the curb. The stranger looked exhausted and hungry, dressed in a torn jacket and dusty shoes. The veteran hesitated. He remembered his own times of struggle, the moments he needed a helping hand. The wind rustled the leaves, and a quiet tension hung in the air. He thought about his child, about the honor and duty he swore to uphold. Compassion won. He approached the stranger, pulled out his last dollar and held it out. "This is all I have," he said, his voice steady and honest. The stranger's eyes filled with tears, his hands trembling as he accepted the bill. The veteran smiled gently and turned to leave, expecting nothing in return. "Why would you help me?" the stranger called out. Without turning, the veteran replied softly, "Because someone once helped me." He got back in his truck and drove away. A seed of doubt in his mind about how he'd feed his child, but he held on to his faith in kindness. Hours later, that single act of compassion began to ripple outwards. The stranger shared his story inside the store, and a customer, moved by what they heard, recorded a short video. The story hit the internet and exploded. Social media was flooded with comments, with people calling the anonymous veteran a hero. News channels picked up the story, and a nationwide search began. Meanwhile, the veteran, unaware of the storm brewing online, picked up his child from school. They walked through a park, the simple joy of his child's smile bringing him peace despite the empty fridge waiting at home. As he prepared a meager meal, a knock echoed through their small home. A local reporter stood at the door, cameras ready. The veteran was stunned as the reporter explained how his simple act of kindness had gone viral. He never wanted recognition. He just wanted to help. The reporter asked why he did it, why he gave away his very last dollar. The veteran's answer was simple and profound. Kindness is never wasted. The interview aired across the country, and America was moved to its core. Donations began pouring in. Veterans support groups reached out. The community showed up at his doorstep with food, clothes, and supplies. His green front yard, once a symbol of his quiet struggle, was now filled with smiling faces and helping hands. Then the stranger appeared. He had found shelter and a job, his life turned around by $1 and the wave of support it generated. The two men, whose lives had crossed for a brief moment, reunited in front of the cameras. The veteran remained humble, crediting the kindness of others, not himself. His child watched, learning a lesson no school could ever teach. Job offers came in, and stability slowly returned to their lives. The veteran never forgot that dollar, a small token that had created a ripple effect of compassion across the nation. People started helping strangers more often. Schools and churches shared his story. Veterans across the country felt a renewed sense of honor. The story became known as the $1 that changed everything. The veteran chose to return to his quiet life, finding refuge in nature and teaching his child the value of empathy. His story proved that heroes don't always wear capes. Sometimes they're just ordinary people performing extraordinary acts of kindness. It reminded millions that no amount is too small when given with a good heart, and that humanity's best qualities can still shine through even in the darkest of times. A single dollar, given from a place of pure compassion, restored faith in people and showed the world that kindness always comes back. Thank you for watching. If this story moved you, please like this video and share it to help spread the message of kindness. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real stories that restore faith in humanity.